skater in Maryland.
No, not
Greg's son.
an animal gator. It's a gator that's on a sheep.
Oh, we're doing donuts. That one's trouble. Yeah.
All right, next up.
Harper, you want to go or you want me to go?
You gonna drive?
Go ahead, one.
Yeah, if you don't want to just sit in the seat, you're more than welcome to have mommy or daddy up here, and then you can sit in their lap, and then they'll help you out. Okay?
All right, go ahead, one. Don't go in that ditch, okay, buddy? What? Don't go in that ditch.
I think we'll lay you over there. Make a left. Go left, 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 left.
Get on the road, bud.
Turn it out a little bit. All right. Thank you, thank you.
All right, Cicero. Careful.
Good?
Not closer to the water.
All you gotta do is drive. Steer, baby.
It ain't gonna be my word.
She's not looking where she's going.
Sissy, look. Look. Look out. No, look forward.
She can't steal off the steering.
You're the best driver out of all of them. You're staying on the road.
And they say women can't drive.
You said it, not me. As soon as you say that, huh?
Harper's gonna tip it over.
She's not tipping us over.
All right. Well, I got to take it from here. You did the hard stuff. I'm going to do the easy stuff.
Yay.